Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to make one of the most loved Indian sweets, the rich and creamy Palkova. This traditional milk-based dessert has been part of our Indian homes for generations. Whether it's festival celebrations or just a craving for something sweet, Palkova always brings a touch of nostalgia. Its texture, sweetness and aroma makes it a treat no one can say no to. It needs just a few simple ingredients to make: milk, sugar and a little bit of patience. So let's get started and check it out. Let's start by pouring 2 liters of full fat milk into a wide heavy bottomed kadai. Use good quality milk because the creamier the milk, the richer your Palkova will taste. Turn on the flame to medium and start stirring continuously. This is one recipe where your patience really pays off. Keep stirring so the milk reduces evenly and doesn't catch or burn at the bottom. As it boils, you will notice the milk slowly thickening and the aroma of fresh cream filling your kitchen. That's when the magic begins. So after about 30 to 40 minutes, the milk will reduce to half to its original quantity. So you'll see it turning slightly off-white and creamier in texture. To enhance the color and aroma, add a few saffron strands. This gives the sweet a subtle golden color and a royal fragrance. Stir it well and let it simmer for another few minutes. Now scrape down the cream that forms along the sides of the kadai. That's pure flavor. You'll notice the consistency slowly changing from liquid to a thick, creamy base. Once the milk has reduced and thickened beautifully, it's time to add the sweetness. Add half cup of sugar and continue stirring. As the sugar melts, the mixture will loosen slightly. That's normal, so just keep stirring over low flame until it starts thickening again. This step requires attention. The Palkova might splutter a bit, so stir carefully. You will see the texture turning grainy and coming together beautifully. Now sprinkle a little cardamom powder for that signature festive aroma. The combination of saffron and cardamom will make your kitchen smell heavenly. Continue stirring until the Palkova starts leaving the sides of the kadai and forms a dense fudge-like texture. At this point, it should have a rich, glossy look and a delicate grainy finish. That's exactly what you want. When you see that the mixture has thickened to perfection, turn off the flame. The Palkova is now beautifully done. It's soft, creamy and aromatic. Transfer it immediately to a serving dish. You can serve it nice and warm when it's smooth and melts in your mouth. If you like, garnish it with a few saffron strands or chopped nuts for a festive touch. And that's it, your traditional Palkova is ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect for Diwali, Navratri, birthdays or just a cozy evening when you crave something homemade and heartwarming. You'll be amazed at how only 2 ingredients like milk and sugar can transform into something so rich and satisfying. That tasted incredible. It's so rich and creamy, and especially when you have it fresh and warm. Wow, it's just out of the world. Well, you'll be amazed how just 2 ingredients like milk and sugar can be transformed into something so rich and satisfying. Serve it to your family, offer to your guests, or pack it as a homemade gift. It's sure to win hearts everywhere. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.